transforming vehicular web of trust in VANET. Irshad Ahmed Samra. Saudi International Electronics, Communications and Photonics Conference, SAIC. April 24, 2011, Overview. Introduction. Trust and Trusted Computing. Proposed Chain of Trust Model. Direct Anonymous Attestation, DAA. Conclusion. Q&A. Introduction. Approximately 1.27 million people die every year over the globe in traffic accidents and 50 million people are seriously injured. In poor countries, the children death rate due to road accident is high as compared to any other serious disease such as malaria or AIDS. With the passage of time, the rate of road accident is increasing, and by 2020 the increasing road accidents will become serious threats to human lives. Introduction. In 2003, U.S. drivers lost a total of 3.5 billion hours and 5.7 billion gallons of fuel to traffic jam. Vehicular ad hoc network is a special kind of network in which nodes, vehicles, can communicate with each other on the road and with its infrastructure, VANET applications, safety applications, non-safety applications. Trust. An entity can be trusted if it always behaves in the expected manner for intended purpose. All components of the network, vehicles and infrastructure, are behaving in an secure communication between the components, and serve the users and save human lives. Vehicular trusted computing. The trusted computing defines two basic properties in vehicular environment which are given below. Sender who sends the messages, safety or non-safety, in vehicle to vehicle, V2V, or vehicle to infrastructure, V2I, is accepted as a trusted entity. The contents of the message source is not changed during transmission. It meets the integrity requirement. Proposed chain of trust model. Levels of trust. Trust between TPMs and vehicle sensors. Trusted medium, DSRC. Trust between vehicle to vehicle, V2V. Trust between vehicle to infrastructure, V2I. Trust between TPM and vehicle sensors. TPM communicates with other vehicles of TPMs, and also TPM make sure that all other specific sensors within the vehicle communicates securely. Global Position System, GPS, Radar Systems, RIS, and Communication Facility, CF, are these modules which are used inside the vehicle. It is the responsibility of TPM to communicate with these modules and to build the web of trust within the trusted vehicles. Trusted medium. Dedicated short-range communication, DSRC, frequency band is used for all types of communication in VANET. DSRC provides multiple channels and its transmission ranges from 5.850 to 5.925 GHz. DSRC are divided into 7 channels and each channel range is 10 MHz. To establish the trust, we must provide secure and trusted channel, trusted medium, between the users and network. Message exchange from vehicle to vehicle and vehicle to infrastructure should be reliable, accurate and confidential, and this will be happened in the presence of secure communication medium. 3. Trust between vehicle to vehicle, direct trust. Peer-to-peer, peer-to-peer, communication between vehicles in the network, and develop the direct web of trust in vehicular communication. At third level is to build the trust with other vehicles as shown in given figure that shows the direct trust in the network. Third level chain depends on the first and second level chain. 4. Trust between vehicle to RSU, indirect trust. The objective of trusted infrastructure is to ensure the availability of the network and provide secure communication in the network. We can extend the web of trust from vehicle to infrastructure so that availability is ensured. It is necessary for a vehicle to have TPM so that it communicates with the infrastructure and to build the trust with it. Roadside unit, RSU, cellular network, WiMAX and Wi-Fi are some examples of infrastructure. Direct Anonymous Attestation, DAA. DA is a digital group signature scheme and it provides the facility to a third party to validate the TPM, and check whether the user platform is genuine. In VANET environment, DA can be considered for attesting a vehicle platform, and at the same time protecting the privacy of the user. Using of DA we can develop the 4-level of trust in vehicular communication. DA communicating with vehicle and RSU. For the platform attestation TCG provide an embedded endorsement key, EC, to prove that particular TPM is genuine. EC is not show the platform identity and attestation identity key, AIK, is describe the identity of the platform and also attest the properties of that platform. EC is a TPM key that is used for attestation of current platform and its configuration. EC sign the applications and these applications communicating with other vehicle, V2V, and also with infrastructure, RSU. EC is also used as an alias for the endorsement key, EC. Using of DA protocol our communication will be secured and data integrity, contents of the message and time value, is maintained. DA entities and process mechanism. Join protocol. The purpose of this protocol to allow the user platform to obtain a DA certificate from DA issuer. This certificate is used to provide proof to other parties that the user platform is trusted. This protocol runs between the issuer and user and TPM. Endorsement key, EC, play his role as an authentic channel between the TPM and issuer. Signing protocol. DA signer is combination of TPM and user and they work together. TPM generates DA signature and it is part of user. Due to limited capacity for computation and storage of TPM, user is involved for join and signing process. Purpose of this protocol is to allow the user to authenticate the message on the base of signature. User and verifier perform this task using with DA certificate. Verifier protocol. DA verifier could be any external service provider and task of verifier is to verify the DA signature. Verifier first verifies the signature sigma and if signature is valid then checks the DA certificate that is created by valid TPM. Conclusion. Security and trust are becoming increasingly key challenges in vehicular network. The main idea behind trusted computing is the hardware-based TPM which contains active security modules that supports chain of trust to be built within components of the network. DA scheme develop the chain of trust and also to solve the problem of privacy of users while communicating with other vehicles or with RSU. Please download this research papers from ResearchGate and Google Scholar. Please share this video and subscribe the VANET channel and don't forget to view the series of VANET videos. If you have any question then email at the given email ID. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.